This was my grandfather's house.
This particular one?
Yes, where we all grew up from. Even my dad. This was his room. This particular window you're seeing.
Okay, this is your father's
Yes.
room as
So
of
when they
then.
were building this structure, this is where all of us used to stay.
Okay.
This particular window was my grandfather's room.
So
This
that
other one.
means this house particularly have been here for more than 100
I'm
years.
telling you, this one, it's
and
older than my
you guys
dad.
maintained it.
Exactly.
You don't want to bring it down.
No, it's not coming down. So like you said, you actually started this in 79.
77.
77 or so.
Yeah.
So gradually. I think it finished in 86, if I'm not mistaken. That was when we actually moved in here.
Okay.
So, like your colleague said, it's actually a style that can't go out of fashion.
Yes.
The way it is.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
Then this is the side. This is the side view where you're seeing. This on our left is the kitchen.
Here.
This part, yes.
Okay.
Then this is the sitting room.
Here.
Yeah, this part.
Okay.
Then what you see up there is like a hall.
Okay.
A sit out.
Okay.
That's where we used to have a lot of parties and things.
Yeah, but the sit out is the model is just, you do know this kind of style of building is just one. It's not many. It's not common.
Exactly.
It's not common.
Then let me show you guys this part. This is actually the front of the house.
Okay.
And as you can see, the initial idea was this would be the gate, the entrance into the compound.
So this place is supposed to be the entrance.
But we somehow maintained this old entrance. I don't know if you understand.
So, but looking at it, here doesn't look like entrance.
Let me show you now. If not, this is it.
Okay.
This is actually the front door.
Okay.
You get it now.
Okay.
This is the front door. You come in there, you park, then you go in.
Yeah. This is supposed to be the entrance.
Yes.
The front door. Okay.
What you have there is a library on the first floor.
Okay.
And a library on the second floor.
Library.
Yes.
That's
what they are.
Family that goes to school too much. Two library in a house.
You understand? Huh? So that's what you have.
How many rooms is this?
7 rooms.
7 rooms.
Yes.
This is massive, man. And I know the rooms will be big.
Yes, all in suites.
Wow.
That was from early 80s. That's all in suits. Okay. I don't know if everybody does all in suits now.
Yes.
But this was already there from early 80s.
Yes. So
you understand.
So, but what was the reason you guys changed the
entrance structure, right? Just like I said, my grandfather, he's a great man.
Yes.
So he died in 1996.
He lived a very long life. He's more than 100 years old.
He was 106.
Okay, we were just telling one of your uncle that your family, you guys live a long life. Because he said that your father is older than him.
Yes.
Your father is like 80 something and he is 70 something. Okay. And I was telling him that you will even be like this to even 100 and something. Trust me, you guys live a long life. And if your grandfather was a typical example of what I'm saying.
Yeah. So that's why we've maintained this entrance, and over time we just stuck to it.
But do you know that I prefer this entrance?
This entrance, exactly.
I prefer
you can see it's even better. That's why we maintain the structure. For me, no, I'm not a chief, but I'm an Ize title holder.
But a title holder is not a chief.
No, it's different. Before you become a chief, you must be an Ize. That's the red cap.
Okay. So in a book, what is the highest title a man can hold?
Idu. We have an Idu 3 of Igbo-Ukwu. So Idu has his cabinets made up of Ichies.
Okay.
Ichies are the heads of different wards.
Okay.
We have 24 wards.
Okay. So then that means before you can become Idu, that means you are typically a king or something.
Okay, as an Idu, fine. Yes.
Okay.
You can call him
but before they will call you chief or high chief, you say you are Nanze.
Yes.
What is the next step for you to become a high chief?
No, to be made a chief, you have to be someone that's contributed a lot to the society.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
These days, I know people abuse it all around the country, but of old, for you to be a chief, you're somebody the society recognizes.
Yes.
Someone that's actually giving so much to the society. So they make you a chief in a way to honor you.
Yes.
That's actually how it is from days of old. Forget these days that
yes, everybody just
should I
messing
say
it up.
young men buy these titles.
Yes, and I was just telling one of my younger brother, his friend, chief this, and none of them is even kids that doesn't do anything. He's answering
so if you notice, even people who are from Igbo-Ukwu but maybe based in other societies, if they do so well there, they give them chieftaincy titles there. But some of them are not even Unze.
Yes.
If they come to Igbo-Ukwu, they cannot wear this red cap.
You see.
I get cheers of first before Guru.
You hear
I don't know if you understand.
Yes. Something about how the king, when the king came to Lagos and saw what he has done by bringing people together and all that, and decided to give him the name Ochikota Igbo-Ukwu. He didn't just get up and give himself that name.
Yes.
He merited it. He did something extraordinary that made the king to recognize him that way. So, but this new generation, they don't think about that stuff.
Honestly, yes. And actually, our Umudege Union, even Igbo-Ukwu Union in Lagos, was my dad and few people that started it.
Yes.
To be honest, even if you go to Lagos, they always acknowledge that.
Yes.
It's not easy. Late 70s, you have very few Igbos. Like, okay, let me say very few Igbo-Ukwu people there. So you just gathered the few they formed that association. Today, to the glory of God, that association is big. IDU Lagos.
Strong.
No, it's very strong. And it's filled with big
rich men,
people.
Strong men.
Yes. So that's what they still owe it to him and a few people. You understand? So setting up that union.
Yeah, I forget to even ask your father something.
Okay.
This road, was it constructed by your father?
Yes.
I forget to ask him this particular question. That man is too much. That your father is too much. Because for him to construct this road, because when you're looking at the road, it has been long.
Yes.
And the road is still okay.
Yes.
And this new ones is before you realize it will just run out.
It's true.
Wow. Your father did amazing work even in this town, and also you guys, because you guys are home. Your wife is home, you are home, everybody is home, your mother is home.